Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. I just want to say welcome. I'm so happy that you chose to start your journey, and I want you to know that I'm here to guide you each and every step of the way. This is such a powerful decision that you've made, and it's one that will truly change your life. I remember when I began letting go of my own sentimental clutter, one day I found a box of old love letters. They were fragile, they were yellow with time, and also they were filled with memories from a beautiful chapter of my life. I hadn't read them in years, but the emotions came flooding back, and then it hit me. It wasn't the letters I needed to hold on to, it was that love, the lessons, the strength that I gained during that time. And that was the moment I realized that I could let go and keep what mattered, and that was the love. So if you're feeling nervous and overwhelmed, that's okay, because you're not alone. And this journey isn't about erasing memories or forgetting the people who meant something to you. It's about honoring your past while making room for your future. So each small step forward is already progress. And that's why we're here to do that together. So today, we begin with step 1, identifying your sentimental clutter. Take time, reflect, and remember, you don't have to do this alone. And don't forget to check the inbox for the next email. I'll be back to walk you through step 2, and it's one of the most eye-opening steps in the whole process. You've got this, I've got you. Take care.